If you are wondering how to write an email pitch for a journalist, then in this video, I am going to share a pitch, word for word, that led to coverage for one of my clients. And if you want to earn media exposure without spending any money on advertising, then make sure you subscribe to this channel where I post new videos just like this one every single Thursday. Hi, I'm Christina Nicholson. I have helped small business owners all over the world earn media exposure without spending any money on advertising. And in this video, I'm going to share a pitch that I helped one of my clients put together and pitch to earn coverage on NBC radio. And I'm going to share it here, word for word, so you can take it, make it your own, and pitch it to the media to get some coverage as well. Now, one thing I am going to tell you about this pitch is we timed it around Earth Day. If you've seen a previous video about how to write a press release for your small business, you know that we talked about the importance of timeliness. So the timeliness that we used for this story was Earth Day. This client happened to be an expert in recycling and being green and living a whole green lifestyle for her and her family. So that is why Earth Day was the perfect peg to pitch this story. And I'm going to go step by step so you can see the order in which things were written and why they were written that way. So the first thing we wanted to do was jump on that timeliness angle. So this is how the pitch begins. Earth Day is this Sunday, April 22nd. And that reminds us that we have a long way to go to sustainability, particularly with our waste habits. Research shows that each American creates about 4.4 pounds of waste per day, adding up to 258 million tons in American landfills yearly. This accumulation is creating a waste crisis nationwide as we near capacity at our landfills. So let me talk about why we started with this. One, it shows the timeliness because we're talking about Earth Day. Two, it shows the newsworthiness because I'm giving you hard news. I'm giving you stats. I am telling you this is a problem and this is why we should care today, especially since Earth Day is coming up. Okay, moving on to the second point. Catherine Kellogg is the founder of Going Zero Waste, a blog dedicated to ditching plastic, removing harmful chemicals from homes, and reducing waste. In fact, Catherine can show you all of the trash she's thrown away in the past 2 years in just one mason jar. There's a couple of things that I love about this part of the pitch. One, I'm telling you who I'm pitching and why I'm pitching her. She is an expert. And two, this is my favorite part, and I honestly think this is why she got a lot of the coverage that she did when we worked together. She had all of her trash in one mason jar. All of her trash from 2 years. This is something that is pretty unique, and this is something that is extremely visual. It works for TV, it works for print. Even if you're talking on the radio or a podcast, you can link back to the website and you can see her trash. This is something that people actually want to see because it's so unheard of, and this is what separates her from any other green expert. Before I go on, I want you to stop and tell me something in the comments below, right here on YouTube. Let me know what your pitch is going to be about. Right now, you're learning how to write one. We're going word for word through one of my pitches that have landed this client lots of publicity, specifically this one on NBC News Radio. So please let me know in the comments, what is your pitch going to be about now that you know how to write one? Okay, let's get to the third part of the pitch. As Earth Day nears, Catherine Kellogg of Going Zero Waste has tips and tricks for reducing her own personal waste, including 1, buy less. By simply consuming less, we can greatly reduce the amount of resources we use and the amount we throw away. 2, don't throw your food scraps in the landfill. And then we go on. We name 5 points. I'm not going to name all of the 5 points right here for the purpose of time in this video, but you get the point. We are giving the journalist their story. This is our idea. These are the points that we can talk about. We've already known why this is important. We already know why it's timely. We already know why Catherine is the person to go to. So what is she going to talk about? Well, this part of the pitch tells you exactly what she's going to talk about and exactly what it's going to look like. So this will work for TV because I'm giving the producer an idea of what this segment is going to look like. This will work for radio or for podcasts because I'm giving you the talking points right there. This will work for print because you see how the conversation will flow because all of the talking points are right there, handed to you on a silver platter. And let me tell you, that is what you want to do when you pitch a journalist. Hand them everything on a silver platter. And finally, we end the pitch with this. Would you like to schedule an interview with Catherine ahead of Earth Day this Sunday? I can be reached at insert phone number or by email address at insert the email address. Thanks so much and have a great day. So I like this ending because I'm giving you the contact information, both a phone number and an email address, and I am telling you when I am available, and I'm kind of giving you a deadline. I'm telling you, you need to talk to me by this day because this is an Earth Day pitch and Earth Day is coming up. So I'm creating a timeline for you. I'm creating a sense of scarcity that if you don't jump on this now, you're gonna miss it. If you liked seeing this pitch, then hey, why not see one more? I have another one that I can share with you in my 3-day video media class. It's called Pitch, Publicity, Profit. You can get instant access at pitchpublicityprofit.com. On day 1, I tell you how to pitch the media, and we do something very similar to what we did here. I am sharing an exact pitch that led to local TV coverage in San Diego. On day 2, we talk about how to nail that publicity. So on day 3, you can turn that publicity into profit. Again, grab that at pitchpublicityprofit.com. And before you go, don't forget to let me know in the comments what your next pitch is going to be about. You're learning how to write them now. Thank you for stopping by and watching the video. So let me know, what are you pitching? What is your angle? And if you like this video, please don't forget to like it, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe to this channel where I post videos just like this one every Thursday.